Hi everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to present my project 1 of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course. Project 1 basically requires you to build a website in which a user can register and log in to search for books, post reviews, and see reviews left by other users. The site right now has a database with data about 5,000 different books. Here you can see the registration page. The background is the same of the rest of the site, and it may resembles yellowed paper from old book. So I fill the information and let's try to sign up. Okay, so I'm going to log in with another user. Okay, after the login, you are here in the search page. This is the search page in which you can search for specific books. You can search by ISBN, that's basically International Book ID code, title or author of the book. You can even insert partial data, and the search is case insensitive, so it doesn't matter if you write in uppercase or lowercase. So now let's try to search the Lord book, and here you can see that we have 5 matching books, and we are interested in this, The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. So click here, and we arrive here in the book details page, in which you can see an open book with all the information like title, author, and so on. Also information from Goodreads, which is a popular website for reviewing books. The information from Goodreads are the number of reviews and average score. You can also see the number of reviews and average score of this site, but the number of reviews currently is 0 and the average score is not calculated. Here you can also see a form that allows you to leave your personal review. So back to the search page, I'm gonna search in this case for a particular ISBN, which corresponds to this book by Agatha Christie. Here in book details page, if you scroll down, you can see that there is no form because I've already reviewed this book. And here I can see at first my review and then all the reviews from other users. So that's it. We finished the tour of my simple website. I hope you enjoyed this short video and see you on the next. Bye!